Porterhouse steak, dry on both sides using a paper towel. Rub in the sea salt, turn the steak over, and rub more of the salt. Elevate the steak using a small grill or other elevated surface. Rest for 24 to 72 hours in the fridge. Fresh ground pepper, thyme, rosemary, crushed sage. Rub the seasonings in. Turn the steak over and repeat with the ground pepper, thyme, rosemary, and sage. Cut the excessive fat into 1-inch pieces. Place the cast iron on a high heat. When the cast iron begins smoking, start cooking the fat. Cook for 1 minute. Add the steak. For a rare steak, cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Remove the fat as each piece starts to char. Turn the steak over. Cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Only cook the narrow sides until brown. The final product is a beautiful dark crust. Allow the steak to rest for 3 minutes. Cut away from the bone and then into chunks. This dish is best served with a beet salad. And enjoy your Bistecca Florentine.